Hello again. In the previous videos we had seen how to create a job and how to generate a CAN invoice, and now we are going to see about remittance. Remittance is nothing but the payment between the freight forwarder and the overseas agent. So the amount here, it should be remitted via bank. This is the remittance dashboard and the status of the remittance which is in pending, completed, to be initiated by branch. It will be shown here. The bank formality forms like form 15CB, annexure, covering letter, form A2, etc. are generated here. These reports are all customized bank wise. And now we shall see about the remittance branch. Here all the branches initiate the overseas invoice amount to the head office. That process is done here. So in order to do that, you have to select the respective overseas agent and you have to click the view button. So if that is remittance, it will be shown here, and the remitted amount, it should be selected in this checkbox, and the total amount, it will be getting changed here. So overseas debit note and invoice, it will be shown separately. The data, it can be selected and the save button should be clicked. Next is view button. View button is nothing but the data which you had saved earlier, it will be shown here. And now I'm clicking the new button under remittance head office, HO. The consolidated branch wise overseas invoice amounts are remitted to bank in this page. So I'm selecting this one and I'm going to click the view button. So the respective amount should be checked and you have to enter the rate of exchange before selecting the checkbox. All the details, it should be entered. The mandatory details like the bank name, the currency, even here it should be entered, and the save button should be clicked. Edit button is nothing but the data which we had saved under remittance HO, it can be edited here. It's more like an update. And view button is nothing but the data which you had saved or updated, it can be viewed here. You cannot change anything in this page. And bank reference is that after the process of remittance, the bank provides an acknowledgement number and acknowledgement date. In this page, we update the acknowledgement number and acknowledgement date. So I'm selecting the respective overseas agent and the view button should be clicked. So you could see the fields, they are getting generated, and all the necessary fields and the mandatory fields should be filled and the save button should be clicked. Even here, this edit button, it shows that the data which you had saved earlier, it can be updated here. And view is that the data which you had saved and or updated, it can be viewed here. Under reports, MIS report and forex gain or loss reports are present. These reports are customized according to the users. So the respective fields, it should be selected. Any report can be searched date wise. So right now I'm selecting a date, and in today's date is present. I'm selecting the branch, and if you click get report, the data will be shown. Even it can be you export it to in an Excel sheet if you click the export to Excel button. This is the forex gain or loss page, so it can be selected and the data can be searched here. And thus we have seen about remittance. Thanks for watching.